Have you ever had that itchy feeling when you are with a friend or trying to do something simple like reading a chapter of a book or listening to a friend tell a story and felt itchy? Not physically itchy, but mentally. Sometimes you interrupt them without knowing, like your brain is vibrating, waiting for something else to happen. We live in a world of speed. Every day we scroll, we swipe, we watch 10-second clips that change before we can even blink. And while it feels like we're just killing time, something much deeper is happening beneath the surface. Today, I want to share 4 reasons why staying focused, learning deeply, and paying attention for long periods is harder today than ever. We live in a world of speed. Today, we are not going to use big, complicated medical words. Instead, we are going to simply look at the truth about what scrolling does to your mind. We're going to answer the question, why does your brain feel so busy? And more importantly, how do we fix it? Let's start with the basics. What is actually happening when you scroll too much? Imagine your brain is a person. For thousands of years, this person was used to walking. Walking lets you look at the trees, notice the path, and breathe. But when you scroll through hundreds of posts on a phone or tablet, you are forcing that person to sprint. Every new video, every new picture is a signal. Your brain has to process it instantly. Do I like this? Hate this? Funny? Sad? Next. When you do this for hours, your brain learns a lesson. It learns that speed is normal. It learns that moving quickly is how the world works. The problem is, the brain is really good at learning habits. If you teach it that the world moves at 100 miles per hour, it forgets how to stand still. This creates what we call a busy brain. It's not that you are hyperactive by nature. It's that your brain has trained itself to expect a new shiny object every 3 seconds. So, how do you know if you have a busy brain? First, it gets bored quickly, extremely quickly. Because your brain is used to the roller coaster of the internet, the flat ground of real life feels boring. A conversation feels too slow. A movie feels too long. Also, a busy brain feels uncomfortable being quiet. When the noise stops, a busy brain panics. It thinks, where is the information? Where is the entertainment? It doesn't know how to just be. This isn't because you are impatient, and it's not because you are a bad person. Please hear that. You are not broken. Your brain is exhausted from running, and it doesn't know how to relax anymore. This constant speed has a real cost, especially when we try to learn new things. Whether you're a student or just trying to learn a new skill for work, a busy brain struggles in 4 specific ways. Number 1, paying attention becomes harder. Real learning needs time. It's a slow process. But remember, a scrolling brain hates slow. When you try to listen to a lecture or read a report, your brain is screaming. Just skip to the good part. But in learning, usually, there is no skip button. Number 2, remembering becomes harder. Think of your memory like a cup. You need calm, steady hands to pour water into it. But scrolling shakes the cup. When you consume too much information too fast, nothing sticks. You might read a whole page and realize you don't remember a single word. The information came in, but your brain was moving too fast to hold on to it. Before we continue, I would like to ask, are you identifying certain things that seem all too familiar to you in today's discussion? Or do you know someone who could be struggling with dopamine-driven attentional dysregulation, or attention fragmentation as some will call it? Please remember, share this video with them and drop a comment on what stood out for you. Number 3. Hard work feels harder than it should. Learning is difficult. It's supposed to be. But a brain used to scrolling is used to things being easy and fun. The moment a speech or discussion stretches or a book gets boring, the scrolling brain wants to quit. It says, "This isn't fun, so something is wrong." This leads to the saddest part, which is number 4. You start thinking you aren't smart. When focusing feels like climbing a mountain, you might start to believe, "I'm just not a good learner," or "I'm not smart enough for this." But that is not true. The problem is not your intelligence. The problem is your habit. You are trying to run a marathon in sprinting shoes. Stay with me for this moment and let this be clear. The brain is adaptable. Scientists call this neuroplasticity, but we can just call it changing. Just like your brain learned to be fast, it can also learn to be slow again. When you spend less time scrolling and more time being quiet, you are retraining your brain. You are teaching it that it is safe to slow down. It doesn't happen overnight. It might feel boring at first. It might feel uncomfortable. But slowly, your focus will return. You will find that you can listen longer. You can remember more. You can handle hard work without quitting. The noise will fade, and your ability to learn will come back stronger than ever. But remember, you have to spend more time away from doom scrolling. You have to be disciplined enough to put down your phone, or go for a walk, or go spend time with people around you. If you take one thing away from this video, let it be this simple sentence. You have the power to slow down. It's okay to be bored sometimes. It's okay to be quiet. Your brain will thank you for it. Let me use this moment to remind you. Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through him. John 14 verse 6.